Hi, my name's Paula and welcome to my blog. So today I'm literally packing to go away. I'm heading over to the US for a conference, but before I do that, I'm heading over to Sydney to move house, celebrate my son's birthday, catch up with family. My daughter's got a few things on. It's her last year of school, so the next 4 weeks are going to be busy. So today is all about packing. So number one, I always try and figure out what it is, like obviously the weather. So I need to put things that I can mix and match depending on how long I go away for. But generally speaking, I really like to go with dark colours generally and things that I can mix and match. However, I am packing a few things for Sydney, so swipe. So number two, I love miniature everything. The smaller, the better. Normally, I go with just a hand luggage, roll everything, and have tiny little things so that I don't have to carry anything that's heavy or that I have to take a big bag. This time around is a little bit different because I am going to quite a few places, so I really wouldn't be able to do it all in one little suitcase. So this time around, I'm taking a big suitcase and I can go shopping. Number three, I have to take my electrical stuff. I take my bag. Let's see if I can find it for you. So normally take my bag of goodies. So my bag of goodies is normally this. As you can see, it's basically this, and then you have three different types, and that will allow me to allow me to travel anywhere and be prepared. So I take this, which charges my phone, take this, which charges my Fitbit. I also take a few other chargers for my cameras and stuff like that, which I don't need to show you. I also take two things. I take an extra charger, but I also have a charger in my bag. Come with me. So I don't know if you have seen this type of bag before, but I absolutely love it because, as you can see, a lot of the places now don't allow you to take a smart bag, but this one, see here, this one is a smart bag. I absolutely love it because you can take it out. Okay, so the airlines will allow you to take it. It's got your chargers there so that you can charge your phone when you're, I don't know, at the airport or anywhere in transit, which I charge everything all the time because I've got my cameras and I have my phones and I have a lot of equipment, so I need loads of power outlets especially if I'm in transit or if I'm traveling and I'm not at the hotel or whatever. Can you hear that thunder? To me, everything is about rolling and putting as much as I can in a small space. So I tend to take a backpack that I can roll, or a rain jacket kind of thing that I can roll, or even a jacket that I can roll so that it is less space. I'll show you my favourite bag at the moment, my backpack, because especially if I'm taking a lot of camera gear and stuff with me, which is my bag. I love this bag. So it can be a backpack. Get the stuff out that I was using. And you can see here, it's got a zipper. And so what you can do with this zipper is you literally put it into a pocket. It's so cute. That way I don't have to take a bag. Oh my god, that thunder. Okay. So much for going for a swim out there. Not gonna happen today. Okay, so there you go. It's Under Armour, but you can get any brand. I absolutely love this. This is my favourite little thing. I have a raincoat too that I do the same thing with, but it's in Australia, so I can't show you that. And I have, if I'm going somewhere like camping, or if I'm going somewhere that I won't have a towel, that I need a towel, then I do have one in a towel that's like this as well. It's more like a chamois, but it's a massive chamois. Again, that's in Australia because my son just went to camp. Anything that you can roll and you can pack tightly, thumbs up. The thing I should mention is be smart. Make sure that you've packed all the things that you need to pack. That is in a compartment that's easy. Make sure that you go and you check that you need any visas, because I just found out that I needed to get a visa for Canada, which I didn't know I had to. So if you haven't been somewhere before, make sure you do. Go online, check if you need a visa, because those sort of things are time consuming if you get to a place and you don't have what you need. So visas, make sure your passport is up to date, or if you've only got 6 months on your passport, make sure that country will let you in, because some won't if it's less than 6 months, especially if you might be leaving within that 6 months but returning within that like 4 months or something. So just be aware of that. And also what I would suggest is that you plan before you go. I plan everything from how I'm going to get there, transport, to hotels. There goes that thunder. To hotels, to anything that you really need. Here comes my dog. She's so scared of thunder. Come here. Come here. It's okay. Come here. Easy. Come up here. So I would suggest that you do your research, and there is an app that I use called TripIt that I would recommend 100%. You can put everything in there, from your events to tickets to airplane reservations to hotel everything is in one little compartment. And if you have Wi-Fi or 3G, you can get updates. So for example, when I was in Amsterdam, I love the fact that it updated on my app and told me that my flight was delayed, stuff like that, which is really, really helpful. So they're my quick tips to packing. I pack a lot. And so normally I just try and pack really smartly, quickly. But today, because I've got a big trip and I've got a lot on in Australia, that today might take a little bit longer than usual. Because I fly out tonight. Normally I'd pack the day before. Anyway, that's it from me. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see you tomorrow in Sydney.